Why does the Icelandic water smell? Is the Icelandic tap water even safe? Hi, my name is Carl. I am a native Icelander. Please, let me explain. You may have noticed that the Icelandic water, it kind of smells like sulfur, which is the scientific term for it smells like farts. And this is because the hot water in Iceland is high in additives designed to remove oxygen. And this is done to prevent the pipes from corroding. It's harmless. It's only in hot water. The cold water runs directly from a natural spring. And it's quite literally the same water you buy in your local grocery store as premium natural spring water. Coming from your tap, how awesome is that? If you let it run for a bit, then you will be getting pure spring water from your tap before you know it. It doesn't smell. Maybe a minute or two. If you're at a hotel and the water doesn't get cold, or it doesn't taste nice, it's probably because they're intentionally running a bit of hot water through the tap and they want you to go to the mini fridge. Don't let them fool you, just take a bottle filled up anywhere else. Make it a glass bottle, that's nicer. After a couple of days, you will likely stop smelling the hot water, and you might even find when you get back home that your water smells a bit different and you never really noticed. The price of cold water is really almost zero, and you really are free to let it run as long as you like. If someone tells you to conserve energy and think of the children in Africa, tell them that the water running through your tap in Iceland really isn't being pulled from an African well. And they won't be magically transported to Africa either if you stop wasting it. It's also being pumped to you using renewable energy from renewable sources. There's plenty of it. The water that's running through your tap will just go back into circulation. So splurge. Feel what it must be like to be a millionaire. Heck, while you're at it, leave the lights on all the time. If you're cold, turn the radiator up full blast. If it gets too hot because the radiator is on full blast, crack open a window. Enjoy your stay.